welcome back to 3-Star Nature, where today we have found a rare specimen in nature, a wild bob. He appears to be shooting annoyed and confused looks at the videographer. We will now watch him for moments. Fascinating. It appears that he laid an egg.
What? Where? This? This is my egg.
He seems to reject the chicken side. Now he will care for it and allow it to grow properly.
Hey, would I do this to my egg?
As well as strengthen the chicken side.
Oh, use that back.
Now, we are encroaching on his nest. It is important that we offer him something, such as a food, to satisfy him so he does not attack us. Yo, dude! Want a cheeseburger?
Sure, why not?
Here you go.
This is air. Where's my cheeseburger?
Now that I've communicated in his local language, he appears to have accepted the gift.
Oh.
Now, the wild bobs are nocturnal, so it's rare that we encounter one in the day. They have gone mostly extinct. This may be the last wild bob in existence due to their clumsiness, though this one may have survived due to... Never mind. Now that he is dead, there is no more species to document. Anyway, tune in next time for our documentary on pylons in the wild.
Hold on.